The following video should be used in conjunction with the instructions for use packaged with every Posey product and your facility's policies and procedures. The Posey ED Psych products are used to help patients assessed as being in extreme danger of injury to themselves or to others. Indications are for patients assessed to be at risk of injury from a fall, patients who are aggressive and attempt to buck up and down, risking potential self-injury or disruption of treatment, or patients who need a supplemental fifth-point restraint of the thighs, pelvis, or chest, and are already restrained at all four extremities. It's important to note that this Posey product is a prescription device, RX only. To begin, place the loop end of the belt facing upwards. Thread one side around a movable part of the bed or stretcher frame. Bring the hook section of the strap up and fasten securely to the loop section. Now, place the belt across the patient. Bring the ends of the strap down through the inside of the side rails around the frame and connect the hook and loop together firmly, and check to make sure it adheres securely. To check for proper fit, slide an open hand flat between the belt and the patient. The belt must be snug but not interfere with breathing. A second or third belt at the waist, thighs, or knees may be needed to hold an aggressive patient in the supine position. When using over the chest, the strap should go under the arms and attach at chest level to a movable part of the bed frame. This will prevent the patient from sliding down and becoming entangled. Posey recommends that full HBSW compliant side rails in the up position be used when a patient is restrained and unattended. Use side rail covers and gap protectors to help prevent the patient's body from going under, around, through, or between the side rails. The preceding video demonstrates the proper application of Posey products only. Prior to application, consult your facility's policies and procedures regarding the appropriate use of this product. The video should be used concurrently with the Posey application instructions, which include indications, contraindications, warnings, and more detailed product application information. Product application and instructions for use are included with each Posey product. You may contact the Posey Company to request the product application instructions or download a copy at www.posey.com. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-44-POSEY.